Assalamualaikum. How to use the library? Primary type use of library. Primary use of the library one. Second, to switch between for profit and non-profit information. Third one, to translate to different languages. Fourth one, to get acquainted with the library. Fifth one, about copyright terms and reprinted materials and creations. The free management library can be freely used for your own personal, professional, and organizational development, including for profit and non profit organizations. To learn more about the purpose, the information, some history, and the developer of the library, see about the free management library. Here are some tips to get the most out of using the library. Let's start. First one, primary use of the library. People use the library primarily for the three purposes to get now. It has a general purpose resource they can use over time to find a type of resource to solve a current problem, achieve a goal, or meet an interest to learn how various topics can conventionally be categorized and integrated with each other. To switch between for profit and non profit information, you might be from a for profit or non profit organization that you want to improve. Each type has some unique terms and terms used for concepts that actually are in common between both types of organization. See, free management library includes materials for profit and non-profit organizations. To translate different languages, a translation utility is available in the upper left-hand corner of each page in the library and near the upper left-hand corner in each block. It translates into almost 16 languages using the Translate link, which in turn uses the Google Translator engine. As with any automated translators, there are often mistranslations while not as accurate and reliable as a human translator. The automatic utility does provide value to users of the other languages. To get acquainted with the library, on the home page notice the six sections of information and the various categories of information in each. The self-assessments to write in most of the sections to help you identify which topics you might want to work on. Notice that some of the sections also include videos about the topics in that section. On the left side of all pages, notice link the share feedback with us a list of categories of recommended books, and a list of the human guides, each associated with a major topics in the library. Each guide is an expert in his or her topic and also has a full-time job. You can get updates from the library by following its Twitter account and or joining its Facebook fan page. About capture terms, reprinting material, and setting context. We want to help you to use the resources in the library, including to reprint articles where appropriate, read copyright, and reprint terms to see how to reprint material from the library. Regarding getting contents from the library, for example, in an articles or research paper that you are writing. Thanks for watching.